Tinatanong ko nga po kayo, normal po ba na nagsiserve ng warrant of arrest sa kulungan? Yes or no po?
Mr. Chair, I cannot answer a definite yes or no on that.
Hindi, tinatanong ko nga po kayo.
Sandali po, yes or no lang. Ikaw, Major Larga,
Yes, Mr. Chair.
huwag ka magsinungaling. Yes or no?
I am not going to ask any more explanation. Sagutin niyo lang ako ng yes or no.
Normal ba na gamitin yung 125 million in 11 days?
Mr. Chair, that would depend, Mr. Chair, on the nature of the transaction.
To the extent that you will make misrepresentation to save the president, yes or no?
Sorry po, but what do you mean, Your Honor?
The resource person is not answering the question directly. Yes or no lang naman yun.
Your Honor, it was a letter that...
Ma'am, it's a yes or no. Let's not make life difficult.
Mr. Chair, yes or no? Davao style.
Do not ask me to answer yes or no. You are not an investigator.